Crypto investing where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made computer software trading probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, company philosophy as I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere, as that's right, old Vincenzo has brought back truth and integrity back into the trading market, right? And you can see we had some pumps yesterday and then some dumps, but they were still up from the prior day, and now they're slightly up again this morning, a couple percent across the board. You can see Bitcoin is trying to come across this critical, if we zoom out and get our little pointer tool, and as you know, I got these yellow marks. This is when the Fed first started quantitative tightening, and you can see Bitcoin's been down ever since. The price is up here at about 50,000 when they started, but it was at 60,000 when they started talking about starting, right? So it's been down ever since. Then we had our upper resistance, our lower support. Then we kind of broke down out of it, almost got to that 36,854. We've had a nice little bounce back, similar to that bounce back, and I believe the 200 days severely coming down, and this uptrending upper resistance now of this old the pattern that was a rising channel, an orange up down there, and then upper resistance and orange up there. I think when you back test this, the 200 days almost exactly there, and the 3 hour, by tomorrow it'll be there. I think this is going to reject you, and I think you're going down after. I don't think you're coming back in here and getting up here to 44,000 or to 42,000. I think this whole area right here is going to reject you, and Bitcoin could it come back up into here? Yeah, I just don't think it is. But we'll see. One big volume push into buyers could squeeze it up, right? XRP is the same thing. We came almost perfectly down to that 63 cents that we've been warning about, right? That if you broke down out of this symmetrical triangle that you've been in for 12 months, when you came through, just like when you came through there, came up, got rejected, and then you touched it down beautifully, got supported back there. We were telling you this is from a slightly higher level because it's uptrending, that if you came back through and then you confirmed a breakdown by coming up and back testing it, you were coming back down to 61 cents because it was descending, so each day that it took to get there, it was slightly lower, right? And it did. Now on a bounce back up, you could come back up to 73 cents at 200 day, but I think the 200-day would reject you. I don't think you're going to be able to trade above that. I think there's too much sell pressure, as I think we're in for an extended fall in the financials, stock market, housing market starting to roll over. I'm going to give you another beautiful housing market update coming up, right? Maybe today. I'm thinking about I'm going to do it today because it's a very important update. A lot of things going on in the housing market, right? A lot of slowing of down, a lot of layoffs at realtors, mortgage companies, and that kind of thing. They're getting laid off because the buyers aren't there. The sellers are there, but the buyers aren't reciprocating because the interest rates are too high, are getting too high. Anything above what they were 2 years ago was too high. Now they're at nearly 7%. That's much too high, right? And then the refis, obviously no one's going to refi from 3.5% to 7%. That just doesn't make sense. You really like the refi from 7.5 to 3.5. So the refis have dried up, hence less work, hence less people needed to run the operation, hence mass layoffs, right? And then you got XLM trading down. I think you're going to trade down to 60 cents next, or the blue ring. And then if we look at some of this other stuff, you can see nothing else is really going on. Shiba's been down, had that nice pump, then it came down. The Doge coin. Remember when we had that big, nice pump on Sunday? It had a nice double leg pump, right? It came up a little bit higher than I thought, but it is indeed doing sort of what I thought it would, and it's going to end up closing below where that pump started at, right? Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love, my beautiful audience.